Leather, a symbol of prestige, of craft, of time worn on surface. But when you trace that surface backwards, you find something less elegant than the finish suggests. For decades, our idea of luxury in leather has been bound to all kinds of animal hides, for which cattle is raised and wild animals hunted down, land being cleared, water drawn, and in the end, hides are chemically treated, all to produce that supple touch of cow leather in a jacket, a bag, or a wallet. According to current life cycle data, 1 square meter of conventional cow leather can generate around 110 kilo of CO2 equivalent emissions. And that doesn't tell the whole story. The tanning process generates wastewater measured in tens of cubic meters per ton of hide, laden with chromium, sulfides, and heavy chemical load. This is the luxury of extraction. But what if we flipped the story? What if leather could be grown, not grazed? What if elegance didn't require hectares of pasture, chemicals, or decades of industry legacy? Meet lab-cultivated leather, also called cellular agricultural leather, grown from animal cells or engineered biomaterials in controlled environments. The aim, replicate the look, feel, and durability of traditional leather without many of its environmental burdens. Early assessments suggest promising gains. Reduced land use, smaller water demands, and lower chemical waste are all cited as advantages. But, and this is a crucial detail, the story isn't finished. Grown leather still depends on energy-intensive bioreactors, culture media, and scaffolding materials. These bring their own footprint and complexity. The question then becomes, will the luxury version of leather be sustainably grown or simply synthetically produced? Real luxury is not just looking good, it's being good. So what distinguishes the next era of luxury leather? It starts with transparency of origin, reduced ecological cost, and ethical craftsmanship. In labs across the world, innovators are designing leather alternatives that challenge our old assumptions that the supple, durable, high-end materials must be tied to animal agriculture and chemical processes. The material is not yet mass-produced, but the concept is clear. The craftsmanship remains, the narrative shifts, and for brands and consumers attuned to both elegance and ethics, this shift is quietly revolutionary. Because in the end, luxury isn't the absence of cost, it's the presence of care. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments.